In this video, I will be showing you how to embed a TikTok video in Gamma AI. I'll start by opening my presentation from the dashboard. Once it loads, I'm going to navigate through my existing slides and click the plus button to add a new blank card where I want the video to live. Now, I'll head over to TikTok to find the specific video I want to share. I'll click the share arrow on the right side of the screen and select the embed option from the menu. Next, I'll click the copy code button to save that snippet to my clipboard. Switching back to my Gamma project, I'll go to the right-hand toolbar and select the Embed Apps and Web Pages icon. I'll grab the web page or app widget and drag it right onto my slide heading. In the media panel that opens up on the right, I'll paste my embed code into the designated field. You'll see a preview of the video appear in the sidebar, letting me know it's connected correctly. I'll go ahead and close the settings panel to see the video live on my card. I can click play to test it out and ensure the audio and video are working smoothly within the presentation. If I want to change the display style, I can click the settings icon on the video to switch between a full embed, a preview, or a simple button link. I'll keep it as a full embed so it looks great on the page. And there you have it. That's the complete process of embedding a TikTok video in Gamma AI.